Hello friends, today I'm starting a new website which is a kindergarten website school theme when using WordPress, and I am using DIVI theme. Well, this site is not made in DIVI. I am going to replicate this theme in DIVI, but I'm not sure if it's going to be exactly the same. You can see when I'm reducing the size of the screen, it's when I'm making it responsive. This is a responsive theme. When I reduce the size of the screen according to the tablet view or according to the mobile view, you can see the image of the banner is also changing. So today I'm going to show you how to change the image size, image banner in DIVI according to the different views. Okay, I'm going to start for the new page, and here I'm starting making with the DIVI theme using DIVI theme. I create the new page, the DIVI builder starts loading, and when we start from the scratch, there the visual builder, it gives us different options like inserting a module. In the very beginning I inserted the module and made it with the image. I took the image module and inserted one of the image which would be full screen. You can see here I loaded this image module and uploaded my full screen image which I made in Canva. So here is the full banners for the Canva for the full width screen, and I uploaded it. And here you can see there are different options for different views. On the top of images you can see there are different tabs, like for tablets there is a different tab, and for mobile there is another tab, phone for smartphone. So in the tablet view I uploaded another image which is a reduced image. Width is also reduced and height is also reduced in it, so that it would be changing when the uh, users of this website, uh, when the visitors are going to use it with the tablet, they are going to see see the banner in a different view, and when they are using phone also, there would be different image. So in the tablet view and in the smartphone view there is same image, while in the full screen view you can see there is a different image. So here you can upload different images accordingly, and when we are going to view this page, you can see I will show you how the view of this page will appear and how we can differently use it as well. And this is a website which I'm going to replicate, so I'm showing it again and again, so that in the next video I'm going to try use this heading, and going to change this these headings also in different views, so that we will be able to see the website as well. So when I viewed this website page, you can see the image is coming in a reduced format, and which I don't like. So I deleted this image module, and I decided to make the section background image as of the banner. So I opened the Divi theme in the front end visual panel and deleted all the images and modules. And here I inserted in the sections settings, I selected the background image for the full screen width, and here you can see I am selecting the very same image which I selected earlier as an image module which I deleted, and now I'm using it for the full screen as a background. So here you can see I've uploaded the screen. Again I'm going to click on the icon, on the small mobile icon, and you can see different views there as well. In the mobile view I'm going to change the banner image from selecting from the library, and also for the tablet view I'm going to change this background image. So tablet and mobile view are having the same background image, and full screen view is going to have a another image. Is I selected the cover image of the background option, and then in the sizing I selected the different heights. You can see there are the other options like make max height and height. You can adjust this height according to your requirements, and I adjusted it to mine. And by selecting different views also, with the small mobile icon you can see here, and you can click here, and then you can adjust the sizes of your height size of the view, whichever you want according to your requirements. So now see, you can see I've changed it with the mobile view as well. So now my different views are having different banner images. You can see in the tablet view I'm having different image, and in the full screen view I'm having another image. So hopefully you like my video, and do not forget to subscribe, so that in the future I'm going to add some other modules and use the same responsive techniques accordingly, and you will be learning that them with the help of DIVI theme. So hopefully you liked. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.